stop for a second. Your sugar cravings are not random, and they're not your fault. Right now, there are foods in your daily routine quietly making your cravings stronger, pushing you to want more sugar again and again. That constant urge, it's a trap. But here's the good news. There are specific foods that can switch off those cravings naturally, and most people have no idea they even exist. Once you start using them, sugar stops controlling you. Let's start with this. It starts quietly, just a small craving after a meal. You tell yourself it's nothing, but then it grows. Suddenly you're opening the fridge again, looking for something sweet, even though you just ate. That's not real hunger. It's your blood sugar crashing and your body asking for quick energy. And this is exactly where chia seeds step in and completely change the game. Once inside your body, chia seeds absorb liquid and expand into a gel-like texture that slows digestion in a powerful way. Instead of your food being processed quickly and causing a spike in blood sugar, everything becomes steady and controlled. That means no sudden drops, no urgent need for sugar, and no feeling like you've lost control. Your body stays fueled, calm, and satisfied for hours. But here's what most people don't realize. Chia seeds don't just stop hunger. They actually silence cravings at the source. They're loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and key nutrients that support your metabolism and help regulate the hormones responsible for hunger and cravings. When those hormones are balanced, your brain simply stops sending those intense "I need sugar now" signals. And the best part? It happens almost effortlessly. You're not forcing yourself to resist sugar. You just don't want it as much anymore. Add chia seeds to your daily routine, whether in water, smoothies, or meals, and you'll start to notice something powerful. The cravings that used to control your decisions slowly lose their grip on you. It hits in the middle of the day. Your energy drops, your focus disappears, and suddenly all you can think about is something sweet. Not because you're weak, but because your body is running out of steady fuel. That intense craving, it's your system asking for a quick fix. And this is where sweet potatoes step in and change everything. Unlike sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing even harder, sweet potatoes work in a completely different way. They're packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber that digest slowly, releasing energy gradually into your bloodstream. This keeps your blood sugar stable, so instead of riding that exhausting roller coaster of highs and lows, your body stays consistent, energized, and in control. But what makes sweet potatoes truly powerful is how deeply satisfying they are. Their natural sweetness gives your brain the signal it's looking for, while the fiber keeps you full for hours. It's like feeding your cravings the right way, without triggering more of them afterward. You feel satisfied, not tempted, and over time, something incredible starts to happen. Those sudden urges for sugar begin to fade. You're no longer chasing energy, you have it. Add sweet potatoes into your routine, and you'll notice a shift, not just in your cravings, but in your overall control. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video and subscribe. This could be the exact change your body needs. It usually happens at night. Everything is quiet, but your cravings are loud. You're not really hungry, but your mind keeps pushing you towards something sweet. That late-night urge can feel impossible to resist. And this is exactly where cottage cheese becomes your secret weapon. Slow, steady, and incredibly satisfying, cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a type of protein that digests gradually and keeps you full for hours. Instead of your body running out of fuel and triggering cravings, it stays nourished and stable. No sudden drops, no urgent need for sugar, just a calm, controlled feeling. But here's what makes it even more powerful. Cottage cheese helps support your body while you rest. As you sleep, it continues to release nutrients slowly, preventing those dips in blood sugar that often lead to late-night snacking or even waking up craving sugar the next day. It's working quietly in the background, keeping everything balanced. And over time, you'll notice something surprising. Those intense nighttime cravings start to disappear. You're no longer fighting the urge. You're simply not feeling it the same way. Add cottage cheese into your routine, especially in the evening, and you'll feel the difference in control, satisfaction, and peace of mind. It starts with one small craving. You just want something sweet. You tell yourself it's harmless, but that one bite often turns into more, and before you know it, you've lost control. That's how sugar traps you. But this is where blueberries completely flip the script. Naturally sweet, juicy, and incredibly satisfying, blueberries give your brain exactly what it's asking for, without triggering the cycle of addiction. Unlike processed sugar that spikes your blood sugar and leads to an even stronger crash, blueberries release their natural natural sugars slowly, thanks to their high fiber content. This keeps your energy steady and your cravings under control. But here's the powerful part. Blueberries don't just satisfy cravings, they actually help reduce them over time. They're loaded with antioxidants that support your metabolism and improve how your body handles sugar. That means fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and fewer moments where you feel like you need something sweet. And the more you include them in your routine, the more your relationship with sugar starts to change. You still enjoy sweetness, but now you're in control. Add blueberries to your day, and you'll notice something incredible. That intense pull toward sugar starts to weaken, naturally, effortlessly, and without feeling deprived. It creeps in during the day, your energy dips, your focus fades, and suddenly your mind starts searching for something sweet, not because you're truly hungry, but because your brain is looking for a quick boost. That's how cravings take control, and this is where walnuts quietly step in and take that control back. Rich, satisfying, and incredibly nourishing, walnuts are loaded with healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids that your brain actually needs. When your body gets these nutrients, it stops sending those urgent signals for quick sugar. Instead of chasing a temporary energy spike, you feel steady, focused, and in control for hours. But here's what most people don't realize. Walnuts don't just reduce cravings, they actually help calm your appetite. They influence hunger hormones in a way that makes you feel satisfied faster and for longer. That means fewer random cravings, fewer unnecessary snacks, and no constant battle with sugar throughout the day. And over time, something powerful begins to happen. Your cravings don't disappear because you're forcing them away. They fade because your body no longer needs them. Add a small handful of walnuts into your daily routine, and you'll start to notice a shift. More control, more stability, and far less desire for sugar. It shows up after a meal. You ate enough, but somehow you're still not satisfied. You start looking for something sweet, something quick, something that feels like it will finally complete the meal. That's not real hunger. It's your body missing steady, lasting fuel. And this is where lentils step in and completely change the experience. Slow, grounding, and incredibly filling, lentils are packed with both plant-based protein and fiber, one of the most powerful combinations for controlling cravings. Instead of your food being digested too quickly and leaving you empty again, lentils digest slowly, releasing energy at a steady pace. This keeps your blood sugar stable, so those sudden urges for sugar simply don't appear. But here's what makes lentils even more powerful. They keep you satisfied on a deeper level, not just physically full, but mentally calm. When your body is properly nourished and balanced, your brain stops sending those constant signals for something sweet. You don't feel like you're missing anything, you feel complete. And over time, that's where the real shift happens. Cravings stop feeling like a battle. You're not constantly thinking about sugar, not constantly fighting urges. Add lentils into your meals regularly, and you'll notice something powerful. You stay full longer, feel more in control, and those cravings that used to pull you in start to fade away naturally. It feels random, a sudden craving out of nowhere. You weren't even thinking about food, and now all you want is something sweet. That's how cravings catch you off guard. But the truth is, it's not random at all. Your body is missing something. And this is where pumpkin seeds quietly fix the problem. Small, crunchy, and surprisingly powerful, pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a huge role in controlling sugar cravings. When your magnesium levels are low, your body starts sending stronger signals for sweets, trying to compensate. But once you give it what it actually needs, those signals begin to calm down. But it doesn't stop there. Pumpkin seeds also provide healthy fats and protein that help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you feeling satisfied. Instead of those sudden spikes and crashes that push you toward sugar, your energy stays steady and controlled throughout the day. And over time, something subtle but powerful begins to happen. Those unexpected cravings don't hit as often. You're no longer reacting. You're in control. Add pumpkin seeds into your daily routine, even as a simple snack, and you'll start to notice the difference. Fewer cravings, more balance, and a much calmer relationship with food. It doesn't always feel like hunger. Sometimes it's just a strange urge you can't explain. You ate recently, but your body is still asking for something. Usually sugar. That's because cravings aren't always about food. They're often about missing nutrients. And this is where spinach steps in and fixes the root of the problem. Light, simple, but incredibly powerful, spinach is packed with magnesium, iron, and essential nutrients your body needs to function properly. When these nutrients are low, your brain starts sending signals that feel like cravings, pushing you toward quick sugar for relief. relief. But once your body gets what it actually needs, those signals begin to fade. What makes spinach even more effective is its fiber content, which helps slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. That means fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and far less desire for something sweet right after eating. Instead of feeling like you need more, you finally feel satisfied. And over time, something changes. Cravings stop feeling urgent. You're no longer constantly thinking about sugar or searching for something to snack on. Add spinach into your daily meals, and you'll start to notice it, not in a dramatic way, but in a calm, controlled feeling where cravings simply don't have the same power over you anymore. It hits hard. That craving for chocolate feels almost impossible to ignore. You try to resist it, but the more you fight it, the stronger it gets. And eventually, you give in. That's the cycle. But what if instead of fighting it, you used it to your advantage? That's exactly where dark chocolate changes everything. Rich, intense, and deeply satisfying, dark chocolate with high cocoa content works completely differently from regular sugary chocolate. Instead of flooding your system with sugar and triggering more cravings, it delivers a small, controlled amount that satisfies your brain without causing a spike and crash. You get the pleasure without the addiction. But here's what makes it even more powerful. Dark chocolate is packed with compounds that actually help regulate your mood and reduce stress, two of the biggest hidden triggers behind sugar cravings. When your stress levels are lower, your desire for sugar naturally drops. It's not just about taste, it's about balance. And over time, something surprising happens. You don't need as much. A small piece becomes enough. You enjoy it, feel satisfied, and move on without that urge to keep going. Switch to high-quality dark chocolate, and you'll notice the shift from losing control to being completely in charge. It begins in the morning. You grab something quick, something sugary, thinking it'll give you energy. And it does, for a moment. But then the crash comes, and suddenly you're craving sugar again before the day has even started. That's how the cycle traps you. And this is exactly where oats step in and break it. Slow, steady, and incredibly grounding. Oats are packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber that digest gradually in your body. Instead of spiking your blood sugar and dropping it just as fast, they release energy slowly over time. This keeps your levels stable, your mind focused, and your cravings under control. But here's the powerful part. Oats don't just give you energy, they extend it. You stay full longer, feel more satisfied, and avoid that constant need to snack on something sweet. Your body isn't searching for a quick fix anymore because it already has what it needs. And over time, you'll notice something big. Your mornings feel different. No more crashes, no more early cravings, no more chasing sugar just to get through the day. Start your day with oats, and you'll feel it, steady energy, better control, and far fewer cravings pulling you off track. It doesn't always feel like a craving. Sometimes it feels like you're just never fully satisfied. You eat, but something is still missing, so you start reaching for sugar, trying to fill that gap. But the truth is, your body isn't asking for sugar. It's asking for balance. And this is where salmon steps in and changes everything. Rich, nourishing, and deeply satisfying, salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that play a powerful role in regulating your appetite and reducing inflammation in the body. When inflammation is high, your hunger signals become unstable, pushing you toward quick sugar for relief. But once your body is balanced, those signals begin to calm down. What makes salmon even more effective is how satisfying it is on a deeper level. The combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats keeps you full for hours, preventing those sudden urges to snack or reach for something sweet. Instead of feeling like you need more, you finally feel nourished. And over time, something powerful starts to happen. Your cravings don't feel as intense or as frequent. You're no longer chasing satisfaction. You already have it. Add salmon into your routine a few times a week, and you'll notice the shift. More control, more stability, and far less desire for sugar. It feels harmless. You just want something sweet, something quick, something to take the edge off the craving. But that harmless choice often pulls you deeper into the cycle. One bite leads to another, and suddenly you want even more. That's how sugar works. But this is where apples step in and completely change the experience. Crisp, naturally sweet, and incredibly satisfying, apples give your brain exactly what it's asking for, but in a controlled, balanced way. Unlike processed sugar that floods your system and triggers more cravings, the natural sugars in apples are paired with fiber, which slows down absorption and keeps your blood sugar steady. But here's what makes apples even more powerful. They don't just satisfy your sweet tooth, they reset it. Over time, your taste buds start adapting, and you begin to enjoy natural sweetness more while craving processed sugar less. What once felt not sweet enough suddenly becomes perfectly satisfying. And the more you include apples in your routine, the more you'll notice a shift. Cravings don't feel urgent anymore. You can enjoy something sweet, feel satisfied, and move on without that pull for more. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective at putting you back in control. It shows up in between meals. Not real hunger, just a habit. You feel like you need something, usually something sweet to keep going. That urge feels automatic, almost like your body is on autopilot. But most of the time, it's not hunger, it's a pattern. And this is where green tea steps in and helps you break it. Warm, calming, and incredibly effective. Green tea works on your body in a subtle but powerful way. It contains natural compounds like catechins that help regulate metabolism and support fat burning. But more importantly, it helps control appetite. Instead of constantly thinking about food, you feel more balanced and in control. But here's what makes green tea even more powerful. It creates a pause. Instead of immediately reacting to a craving, you replace that moment with something calming and beneficial. Over time, that simple switch rewires your habits. You're no longer feeding cravings, you're dissolving them, and gradually, something changes. Those automatic urges start to fade. You don't feel that constant need to snack or reach for sugar throughout the day. Add green tea into your daily routine, and you'll notice it. More control, fewer cravings, and a calmer relationship with food. It doesn't make sense. You've eaten, but your body still feels like it needs something. You start thinking about snacks, then sugar, trying to satisfy that feeling, but nothing really works. That's because your body isn't asking for more food. It's asking for the right nutrients. And this is where broccoli steps in and fixes the root of the problem. Simple, green, and incredibly powerful, broccoli is packed with fiber and essential nutrients that your body depends on to function properly. When those nutrients are missing, your brain can translate that into cravings, especially for sugar. But once your body is nourished, those signals begin to quiet down. What makes broccoli even more effective is how filling it is without being heavy. Its high fiber content slows digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable, preventing those sudden drops that trigger cravings. Instead of feeling like you need more, you feel steady and satisfied. And over time, something subtle but powerful happens. The constant urge to snack starts fading away. You're no longer chasing something sweet after every meal. Add broccoli into your daily routine, and you'll notice the shift. More balance, more control, and far fewer cravings pulling you in. It hits suddenly, that strong urge for something sweet. Even when you're not really hungry, you try to ignore it, but it keeps coming back, stronger each time. That's not just a craving, it's your blood sugar going out of balance. And this is where cinnamon steps in and quietly takes control. Warm, rich, and incredibly powerful, cinnamon works behind the scenes to help regulate your blood sugar levels. Instead of sharp spikes followed by crashes, which are the main reason cravings hit so hard, it helps keep everything steady and controlled. And when your blood sugar is stable, those intense sugar urges begin to fade. But here's what makes cinnamon even more effective. It actually improves how your body responds to sugar. By supporting insulin sensitivity, your body becomes better at managing glucose, meaning fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and far less need to reach for something sweet. And over time, something subtle but powerful happens. Cravings don't feel urgent anymore. You're no longer fighting them. They simply don't show up the same way. Add cinnamon to your daily routine, whether in drinks or meals, and you'll notice it. More balance, more control, and a much calmer relationship with sugar. Sugar cravings are not about weakness, they're about imbalance. And now, you know exactly how to fix it. Start adding these foods into your routine and watch how your cravings slowly lose control over you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because your health journey is just getting started.